I'll never forget the agonizing lower back pain that hit me right in the middle of a crucial deadline. I dragged myself to Ikea, completely overwhelmed by the sea of chairs, and ended up buying one that looked great but felt like sitting on a wooden plank. Finding the right Ikea office chair is a nightmare of confusing Swedish names and deceiving showrooms. But after months of personally testing their top models, I found the ultimate fix for your posture and productivity. Stick around, because the number one chair on this list completely changed how I work. 5. ALEFJÄLL. When I first saw this chair in the gloss black leather finish, I was completely drawn in by its gorgeous retro aesthetic. It looks like it belongs in a high-end designer studio rather than a standard corporate cubicle, which is exactly why I decided to bring it home and test it out for a few weeks. The genuine grain leather feels incredible to the touch, and the burnished metal accents give it a premium build quality that you don't typically expect to find in flat-pack furniture. As for its features, the ALEFJÄLL does offer some basic but necessary adjustments to help you find your groove. You can adjust the seat height, and there's a neat little dial that lets you change the depth of the seat and the height of the backrest simultaneously. I use this chair primarily for script writing and managing emails, tasks where I'm leaning forward, and initially, the padding felt exceptionally plush and welcoming against my body. However, the longer I sat in it, the more the cracks in its ergonomic design began to show, particularly during long 8-hour work grinds. Because the backrest is relatively small and made of solid leather with thick padding, there is absolutely zero breathability, leaving my back uncomfortably warm and sticky by mid-afternoon. Furthermore, the armrests are completely rigid, meaning you cannot adjust their height or width at all, which forced my shoulders into an awkward, hunched position when I tried to pull myself close to my desk to type. Ultimately, while the ALEFJÄLL is undeniably one of the best-looking chairs Ikea has ever produced, its functional limitations make it tough to recommend for serious office work. 4. HATTEFJÄLL. Much like the previous chair, this model attempts to bridge the gap between cozy home furniture and a functional office workstation with its softly curved, welcoming silhouette. When I assembled it in my workspace, I appreciated how the gentle lines and unassuming profile prevented it from dominating the room, making it an ideal choice for smaller bedrooms or hybrid living spaces where you don't want a chair that screams corporate boardroom. During my testing phase, I was pleased to find that the HATTEFJÄLL includes a surprisingly robust set of features hidden beneath its minimalist exterior. It boasts a high-quality tilt mechanism that automatically adjusts the tilt tension based on your body weight, which genuinely provided a smooth, effortless recline when I wanted to lean back and read through project briefs. Additionally, the seat depth is adjustable, which is a fantastic inclusion that allowed me to slide the seat pan forward, ensuring the back of my knees weren't pressed uncomfortably against the edge of the cushion. Despite these clever features, my extended testing revealed a glaring design flaw that completely ruined the typing experience for me. The armrests are physically attached to the backrest rather than the seat or the base, which means that the moment you lean back even slightly, the armrests tilt up into the air, leaving your forearms completely unsupported. This meant that whenever I tried to relax my posture while typing, my arms were left dangling, putting a massive amount of strain on my wrists and my upper neck over the course of the day. To compound the issue, the curved backrest cuts off quite low, providing absolutely no support for the upper thoracic spine or the shoulders, which left me feeling fatigued after long editing sessions. Markus. This chair has achieved a somewhat mythical status in the budget ergonomic community, and after putting it through its paces for an extended period, it is very easy to see why it remains a global bestseller year after year. The Markus takes a completely different approach from the previous two chairs, abandoning cozy aesthetics in favor of a towering, purely functional design that instantly commands your workstation and signals that it's time to get down to serious business. The standout feature of this chair is undoubtedly the incredibly tall backrest, which incorporates a massive panel of tightly woven mesh that completely transformed my working experience. during intense, high-stress gaming and editing sessions. The breathability of this mesh back kept me completely cool and sweat-free, a massive upgrade over the solid leather models I previously struggled with. Furthermore, the built-in headrest is generously padded and positioned at an ideal height for my frame, allowing me to fully rest my neck during long video rendering waits. While the Markus isn't entirely perfect, the armrests are fixed in place and made of a rather unforgiving hard rubber. The core mechanics of the chair easily make up for these minor compromises. The synchronous tilt mechanism is incredibly sturdy and allows you to lock the backrest into several different angles, meaning I could effortlessly switch from a rigid, upright typing posture to a deep, relaxed recline with the simple pull of a lever. I also found the Vissel dark gray fabric on the seat pad to be remarkably durable and resistant to stains, holding up beautifully even after weeks of daily coffee spills and friction. 2. Jarvfjallet. If the Markus is the trusty workhorse of the Ikea lineup, the Järvfjallet is its highly evolved, sophisticated successor that takes all the feedback from previous models and dramatically improves upon the formula. Out of the box, the chair exudes a sharper, more modern, and angular design language, and the integration of genuine leather on the touchpoints elevates the entire experience, making my home office feel like a premium executive suite. What truly sets this chair apart during my rigorous testing process was the sheer volume of customizable adjustments it brings to the table, solving almost every issue I had with older models. The J with Thyresis RVFJ with Thyresis LLET features a movable lumbar support pad that I was able to slide precisely into the natural curve of my lower spine, completely eliminating the dull aches I usually experience after a long morning of writing. On top of that, the headrest is fully adjustable in height, ensuring that regardless of how you shift your posture throughout the day, you can always find the exact point of support your neck requires. I was also incredibly impressed by the firmness and the adaptability of the seat pan, which features a dedicated depth adjustment slider that accommodated my long legs perfectly. While some users might initially find the molded polyurethane foam seat to be a bit stiff compared to heavily padded alternatives, I quickly realized that this firmness is intentionally designed to promote active sitting and proper blood circulation. After spending a full week anchored to this chair, I noticed a dramatic reduction in the numbness and leg fatigue that softer, sinking cushions typically cause during marathon work sessions. 1. GRÖNFJÄLL. From the moment I rolled this masterpiece into my office, I knew I was dealing with something entirely different from the standard flat pack fare, as its bold color scheme and meticulously sculpted frame make it an absolute visual standout. But beyond its stunning aesthetic appeal, testing this chair proved to be a revelation in day-to-day comfort, combining premium materials with top-tier engineering to create an unparalleled seating experience. The absolute crown jewel of the GRÖNFJÄLL with Thyresis LL is its highly advanced, weight-compensating synchronized tilt mechanism, which effortlessly mirrors the natural movements of your body as you shift your weight. When I pushed back to take a phone call, the seat pan naturally glided forward in perfect harmony with the reclining backrest, keeping my feet firmly planted flat on the floor and my eyes level with my monitors. This seamless, fluid motion meant that I never had to manually fiddle with tension knobs. The chair simply anticipated my posture and supported me flawlessly through every single movement. Furthermore, the comfort provided by the high-resilience foam padding and the expertly contoured armrests allowed me to completely immerse myself in my work without a single distracting physical ache. The armrests are perfectly positioned to take the strain off my shoulders, and the Letterforce fabric is not only incredibly durable, but also surprisingly breathable, keeping my body temperature perfectly regulated from the start of the day until I finally clocked out. Even the casters are brilliantly engineered with a pressure-sensitive brake mechanism, ensuring the chair stays exactly where I want it when I stand up, yet glides effortlessly across both hardwood and carpet when I'm seated.